Hey guys, just doing a quick review on the Rennline shift knob. I just installed on my MK7 GTI. The install is really fairly simple. You have to cut the boot out, of course, from the original shift knob. It kind of sucks, but just get a razor blade, cover around it. Install this one. I put 2 zip ties, and then put this baby back in. To get this out is really simple. There's these two clips. These two clips right here. You kind of have to push in to get this out, and then it pops up. Other than that, the hole where this goes in, the shift knob goes in, is a little too wide for the shift knob, the stick, the actual stick where it goes. It's a little too wide, so I had to kind of put electric tape around the hole, around the stick, and then wiggle this in there, make sure it's nice and tight. And then you get 2 sets of screws that go in right here. This is what they look like. So you get 2 long ones and these 2 short ones. I used the long ones because I needed them to get in there. The short one was just not enough, so I put the 2 long ones in there, and you get an Allen key to put them in, and then that is it. So it feels really good. Surface is really nice, smooth. The action is way shorter, which is nice. Nice and heavy. So it feels really good. And this is the shift knob by Rennline. So check it out.